Here is how to clear certain memory in ChatGPT. So let's get started. If you haven't already, just open your browser and come to ChatGPT. Once you're here, ensure you've logged in with your account and then click on your account's name at the bottom left. Over here, click on Personalization, that's here. And then just scroll down till you'll find this option called Memory. Now, if you want to delete some memory, just click on Manage, that's written over here. And here you can see all the memory that ChatGPT has about you. They've said that GPT remembers and automatically manages useful information from chats. And if you scroll through this, you can see everything. Now, we have two ways to delete this. One is to clear all memory. To do this, click on the three dots which are over here, and then click on Delete All Memories, and then everything will be erased. But let's say you only want to delete some things from memory, like this point over here. Then to do this, click on the three dots which are next to it, and click on Delete. Click on Delete again, and as you can see, now it's gone. So the same way, you can go through this entire list and delete whatever you want. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.